Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning. My name is Abdul Rahbin and from Class D, English Education Study Program 2023, University of West Sulawesi. Today, I would like to present the result of interview connected with Ms. Fajriani SSMA, a lecture in English language teaching with a strong interest in literature-based pedagogy. The topic interview literature in language education. In your opinion, how can literature help a student not just improve their language skill but also develop empathy and culture awareness? Ms. Fajriani, the answer literature allows students to step into the lives of character from different backgrounds, culture, and time periods. By experience, this first perspective they begin to understand emotion, struggles, and values that might be different from their own. The second question, some students find literature classes difficult or barren. What strategies make? Do you do you personally ask to make literature texts more engaging and relatable for learners? Miss Padriani, the answer to make literature more engaging, I connect the topic or the themes to students' real life experience and current social issue. I also ask multimedia such as video, art, or music related to the text. Interactive role plays and creative projects such as writing, engines, or modernizing characters. Third question, do you think Asian local or Indonesian literature in English classes can be just effective as Asian Western literatures? Why or why not? Miss Fajrani, the answer, Asian local or Indonesian literature in English classes can be just as effective as Asian Western literature because it offers culture relevance that resonates more closely with student own lives when students read story set in familiar environments or featuring character who relate to their own experience. They are more likely to engage deeply with the material. The fourth question, how has the role of literature in language education changed with the rise of digital media and social platforms? Miss Fajrani, the answer, the experience is about literature usually. A similar change can be just as effective as step towards or learn. Yes, I believe Indonesian literature in translation can be just effective. It's rich culture familiarity with language learning, making it more meaningful for student when student read story that reflect their own culture in English. It validated validates their identity while helping them experience perspective globally. Uh, the fifth question, what literature has had the biggest influence on your teaching philosophy and why? Miss Fajriani, the answer, the word like the little France by Anthony de Saint-Exupéry has had a profound influence on my teaching philosophy. Its simplicity hides deep philosophical and emotional truths about human nature and also relationship has as will imagination. It reminds me that teaching should go beyond language mechanism. It should touch the heart, inspire curiosity, and nurture emotional intelligence. The sixth question, do you believe every language teacher should incorporate literature in their classroom, or it's only for choose who spells in it. Miss Fazirani, the answer, believe every language teacher or lecturer and should incorporate literature to some extent. Literature does not have to mean long novels or even short forms, fables or song lyrics offer opportunity for language enrichment and culture discussion. The last question, if you had the power to redesign the literature curriculum in Indonesian language education, what would you change or emphasize more? Ms. Fajiani, the answer would emphasize student choice, culture, relevance, and multimodal learning. I would include more Indonesian literature in English. Include more Indonesian literature in English. Translation blends classic and contemporary texts and provide space for creative response activities. I would also integrate literature with other subjects like history, ethics, anthropology, etc. to show its interdisciplinary value.